Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Canva on your Android device. So if this sounds helpful, then watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already by hitting that subscribe button. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos in the future. To download Canva on your Android device, you'll need to go to the Play Store and then search for Canva. Now to download it, tap on the install button. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. After the application has been downloaded on your device, you can tap on the open button. And from here you will be able to sign up for Canva, or if you have, you can also log into your existing Canva account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.